In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download GoCity app on Android. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It usually looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping on it will bring you into the store where millions of apps are available for download. This is an essential step because the Play Store is the safest place to download applications on your Android device. Once you're in the Play Store, you'll see a variety of categories and featured apps. Next up, you will want to tap the search bar at the top of the screen. When you touch the search bar, a keyboard will pop up, allowing you to type. Here, you will need to type GoCity. Make sure you spell it correctly to find the right app. This step is crucial. If you don't enter the correct name, you might end up with similar apps that are not what you're looking for. After typing, simply hit the search button or press enter, and the app will appear in the search results. Now look for the official GoCity Sightseeing Passes app published by GoCity. It's important to select the correct app to ensure you're downloading the right version. The official app will typically have the most downloads and positive ratings. You'll recognize it by its logo, which usually stands out in the search results. Selecting the official app ensures you get the full features and updates directly from the publisher. Once you find it, tap on it to access the app's information page. After that, you will see an Install button on the app's page. Tap this button to begin the downloading process. The installation might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. This step is vital because it initiates the download and installation of the app on your device. You'll notice a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear where the Install button was. Tapping on Open will launch the GoCity app for the first time. This is your gateway to exploring the features and benefits the app has to offer. You can also access it later from your home screen or app drawer. This little step saves you time later when you want to start using the app immediately. Now that you have installed the GoCity app, take a moment to explore its features. You may want to log in if prompted. This will allow you to create an account and save your preferences for future visits. Logging in ensures that your experience is personalized and that any purchases or entries are securely stored. If you did not create an account during installation, you can easily do this within the app. In summary, you have successfully downloaded the GoCity app on your Android device. Remember, following these steps ensures a smooth installation process. You can now enjoy the benefits of the GoCity app, which can help you plan sightseeing activities effortlessly. Thank you for watching and happy exploring with GoCity.